Okay, here is our little character, and what we're going to do today is give him more details. He's kind of simple and unexciting right now, so we're going to just deal with his eyes and see what kind of things we can do by just switching his eyes and make him an interesting character. So we'll take that away and let's draw him some eyes. There we go. Kind of oval shaped here. Put that one together there. Maybe a little more depth here on the eyes. Looks a little bit mean. Give him some little eyes. There you go. Completely different character. Now let's see if we can't give him different eyes. There we go. And we are going to give him googly eyes. Now sometimes when you draw a character like this and you want to experiment, you can use tracing paper and just try a whole bunch of different eyes using the tracing paper to see which ones really suit your needs. A lot of the eyes, sometimes you want uneven eyes. Gives a kind of a crazy look. And we can even go over the shape of his body because it's our character. We can do anything we want. So let's just keep going. And here we're going to get some ovals. And we'll give him a look like he's looking right to his right. And he's kind of a nice, happy character looking right. And now we're going to give him kind of a sinister look. And notice all the different things we're doing. One thing we're doing, giving him these eyelashes going in all different directions. You don't have to. You can even add a little bit of this here. Maybe make it a little bit darker here. Anyhow, it's your character. You do whatever you want. But notice that we're giving him a variety, and that's the whole point of creating characters is variety. All kinds of different shapes, all kinds of different moods, and that's what you get. And we just having the same expression, a smile, and yet the eyes can make a heck of a lot of difference. So here I'm going to give him a pair of glasses. There we go. Eyewear is also a good thing to do to make your characters unique. There, got little glasses there. And let's see now. Yeah, just simple googly eyes. Sometimes they're nice and effective. Again, we just made one bigger than the other. Kind of adds to the goofiness. And then we can add some stuff to that, some eyelashes. Some stuff under the eyes, maybe to suggest a little bit of a tired character. And then we can maybe even add some eyelashes above the top. Now let's do some more with the eyelashes. This one here has a unibrow, and we're going to widen his eyes wide apart. That's another thing you can do. Not just change the shapes, but you can change how how wide apart the eyes are. So let's try some more wide apart eyes. Some round wide apart eyes. There we go. Let's give them some eyelashes down here. And there we go. Another different character. And now let's see, what else will we do? Why don't we see what happens if we just keep going around and around and around the eyes. Get kind of a strange effect there. Maybe this guy's from another planet. Ooh, speaking of another planet, we can just put some eyes on top of his head and make him like he's from another planet, like that. So here we are, all kinds of different characters. We can give them sort of an anime look. Just a couple of upside down lines like that to tell your viewer that your character is happy. And then let's do one last pair of eyes. Oh yeah, sometimes you can go even a little rectangular. Give them sort of a kind of that look. So there we are. We have all kinds of different character eyes just from your very simple character. And there you have it. Now let's go over some of them again. Oh wow. And sometimes you can take eyes from other characters and try them on your shape to see what you can do. And a lot of these eye shapes I took from a TV show called The Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends. And there you go. So give it a try, see what you can come up with, and use a little tracing paper if you want, and see all the different types of eyes you can make that turn a simple circle into a bunch of really cool looking characters.